Are you excited? Yeah? You excited? You excited? Daddy's back? You're excited, huh? Yeah. Very excited. I know. This is good, huh? I know. Why would you ever nap when you can do raspberries? There's so much other fun stuff to do than napping. You're excited. You're excited, huh? Happy kid? You happy kiddo? Who do you see? Who do you see? Do you see yourself? Come here. Oh, you see those little critters on your toes. Yeah, you see critters on your toes.